Rightio, so today we are going to be going through how to use strops to secure loads on a trailer. Now there are many different types of strops, not all are 2.5 tonne rated like these big strops here, and there are many different ways to use strops to secure loads. But this is how I do it, mainly through mucking it up a lot in the past, and I've had a couple of really cool trucker friends show me some tips and tricks as well. So to start with, we're going to come over to the trailer. You're going to attach the ratchet, and you're going to want to make sure the handle is facing out so you can maneuver it to tighten it. So grab the end of the ratchet here, find your secure point, and then let that hang. Now imagining that there is piles of hay really high up here, we're going to jump over to the other side of the trailer to secure the strop here. So again, securing the end on your point of the trailer. Now to get this strop over to the other side, you're going to want to step back slightly, and you're going to want to aim up high to get the strop right over to the other side. Now making sure you have no twists in the strop as you come back over. Run the strop through your hands to ensure that there are no twists. Pick up the ratchet. Now you'll notice there's a centre pivot in here. If the centre pivot is not allowing you to bring the strop through cleanly, you can open and shut the ratchet, which rotates the centre pivot. Now I like to bring the strop through while the ratchet is closed, and the reason for that is at the other end, when you come to undo it, it's really fast and easy. So with the ratchet closed, you're going to bring the strop through from the back to the front, and just use your hands to pull it all the way through. And you can see here I have put a twist in it, but that's okay for today's purposes. Tighten it up nice and firm, then use the ratchet to get it nice and tight. Now at this point, the strop and your load is not going anywhere, but it's what you do with this piece that'll impress your fathers. So if you went back and forth and tied this in lots of different knots, it's going to take you half an hour at the other end to undo. We're all about efficiency here at the Southern Girl Finishing School, so I'm going to teach you what a truck driver friend taught me. You're going to start by making a loop, so not a tight circle but a nice loop. Run it round like that. Now you're going to hold firm. Do not let go. Bring your arm through the loop, grab the strop, bring your hand all the way through. You still have not let go. Once it's through, replace this hand, pull tight. Now that is nice and tight, and it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to billow out behind you as you're driving. And with this, you can just tuck it nice and tight behind the ratchet there. Okay, to undo, nice and simple. Open up the loop again. To release the tension on the strop, bring the two handles together, open it up, and you'll hear it go pop. Come backwards to let the tension off, and there's two ways. You can either just pull the strop through like this, or you can unhook it down here and simply walk backwards. Whichever way, bring the strop back through the ratchet, close the ratchet up so it's nice and tidy. I do like my gear packed away nicely. Undo it from the other side. And then when you roll up the strop, you want it ready to go again. So a nice tight loop, roll it up back into the ball. So then whenever you need to use strops to secure loads on a trailer again, the gear is ready to go.